Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School, and today we are going to start the poem Elephant versus Insect from your class 6th English book, that is Living English. Elephant versus Insects is a small poem in which a football match is going on. We'll first see the poem and then we'll discuss about the poem later on.
Insects. The elephants and the insects came out to play a match. They trampled in the jungle till they cleared a little patch. They scuttled round and trumpeted, just glad to be alive, until the half-time whistle when the score was 15-5. The insects in the second half brought on a substitute, a modest little centipede. But brother, could he shoot? He ran around on all his legs beneath the tropic sun, and by the time he had finished, well, the insects, they had won,
"Oh, tell us,"
said the elephants.
"we're mystified indeed. Why wait until the second half to play the centipede?"
"That's easy,"
cried the insects as they carried off the cup.
"He needs an hour to sort his boots and tie his laces up."
So the poem is basically about elephants and insects having a football match and to see who wins it. Okay. So the question that comes out is that does size really matter? That whether the elephant and insects, they are like a variety of sizes, but does it matter whether whether the elephants can win because of their big size, or the insects will lose because of their small size? So ये जो size है ये matter करता है नहीं करता है, that is one important question of the poem. Now we'll start. The elephants and the insects came out to play a match. They trampled in the jungle till they cleared a patch. Okay. The elephants and the insects, they came out to play a match. कि उन दोनों में कुछ बात होती है, and they come and decide that they'll have to play a match, and the match is of a football. Okay, they trampled in the jungle. They just ran from here and there in the jungle. Okay, they trampled in the jungle. They moved from here and there in the jungle, and thus crushing those grass and everything. Okay, till they cleared a little patch. Till they made a little patch where they could play their game. They scuttled round and trumpeted, just glad to be alive, until half-time whistle when the score was 15-5. They scuttled here. Scuttle means to run here and there. To run here and there, and trumpeted means they shouted, just glad to be alive. Just glad to be alive कि सिर्फ जिंदा बच रहे हैं, इस खुशी में वो इधर उधर दौड़ रहे. तो who can this be? These are the insects. They are glad that they are not crushed under their feet. Until half-time whistle when the score was 15-5. That was only till the half-time whistle where the score was 15-5. Means the elephants were on the score of 15 and the insects were on the score of 5. The insects in the second half brought a substitute, a modest little centipede, but brother, could he shoot? Okay, then they are saying that in the second half, they brought a substitute. एक substitute जो है वो लोग लेके आते हैं, a modest little centipede, एक simple सा छोटा सा centipede. If you do not know what a centipede is, so a centipede is basically this creature, okay, who has 100 feet. Centipede जो नाम है वो centi means 100 and pede here means feet. This is a creature जिसके 100 पाँव है. तो ये लोग क्या करके आए हैं, सेकेंड राउंड के अंदर एक सेंटीपेड जो है वो लेकर आए हैं. But brother, could he shoot? This is an expression की पर भाई हमने बोलते अरे गजब क्या तो बॉलिंग करता है, उस टाइप का जो सेंस है वो. बट ब्रदर कुड ही शूट, कि क्या वो शूट करता था, क्या वो किक मारता था, क्या वो खेलता था. He ran around on all his legs beneath the tropic sun. He ran around on all his legs. He's using all his 100 legs to run here and there beneath the tropic sun. जो ऊपर जो tropic sun चल रहा है या जो इतनी तेज धूप है उसके अंदर he is running here and there. And by the time he'd finish, और जब तक वो finish करता running, और he could come to a position where he could get tired of running, well, the insects they had won. That by that time they had won. मैच जो है वो insects जीत गए थे. Oh, tell us, said the elephants. The elephants are, after the match is over, they have lost, they are asking. We are mystified indeed. Why wait until the second? Why wait until the second half to play the centipede? They are saying that we are mystified. Mystified means they are utterly confused. ठीक है, utter confused, या हम बहुत सोच में आ गए करके कि why wait until the second half to play the centipede? कि centipede को खिलाने के लिए second half तक wait क्यों किया आपने? That's easy, cried the insects. The insects है simple सी बात है, इसमें कुछ सोचने वाली बात ही नहीं है. As they carried off the cup ले जाते हुए, the winning trophy जो थी उसको ले जाते हुए, they are saying he needs an hour to sort his boots and tie his laces up. He needs an hour to sort. इतने सारे पाँव हैं तो इसको 1 घंटे का तो टाइम चाहिए होता है अपने सारे जूते इकट्ठे करके उनको सॉर्ट करने के लिए कि कौन से लेफ्ट पाँव में पहनने हैं और कौन से राइट पाँव में पहने. And tie his laces up. After wearing, he has to tie the laces also. So to do all those things, he need 1 hour. तो पहले कैसे लेके आते थे? पहले हम लोग खेल रहे थे, 1 घंटे इसने अपना ये सारा काम किया. That time it was half time, and then we called him so that we could win the match. So that's very simple. That was no strategy or something. कह रहे उसको half time के बाद लेके आएंगे तो वो हमको जिता देगा. या that bringing the centipede after the half time is a great strategy. We might win after that if we come. No, nothing like that. The only sole reason was that because he would take 1 minute, 1 hour to tie his shoes and all, that is why he was not called before. So the poem was a poem of very light theme. बहुत ही एक normal मजाकिया जो theme है वो चल रही थी poem के अंदर. So that was just for an explanation. I hope the poem was clear to all of you, and there's no doubt in the poem. And clearly, one thing has also been proved, that size doesn't matter when you have made up your mind for something. Although the poem was a very simple poem with a very happy go theme, but still that gave us a very important lesson of life, that it is not always necessary that the person who's very much huge in size or who's very much powerful will always win. Sometimes the people or the living beings who are on the smaller side, and seen that they cannot do anything, they can also win and they can also prove themselves correct. So I hope the poem was clear to all of you. Thank you.